B flat major scale for the right hand. The best way to remember the B flat major scale fingering is to first play a C major scale. That fingering that I just used is the same fingering for a B flat major scale. So to begin though, I have to start on finger 2, B flat. That's just a bookend. Then I move over to the C scale, except of course we alter the E. And we bring the thumb up for the F, just like the C scale. And of course I don't need that C because I'm doing a B flat scale. So I used exactly the same fingering. So this week, learn the B flat scale 1 octave with that fingering. The B flat blues scale is based on the B flat pentatonic scale. So it uses a B flat, a C, a D, and then I move over to the F and the G, and I'll put the B flat on top. That's my that's my target. Now I could use the fingering for the C scale, but it doesn't really work out too well, does it? Because I need something to get over there. So one way to make this work better is to make it a blues scale and add the D flat. Now I have a way to move my thumb over to the D. So watch how I do that. I use 2 on the B flat, my thumb on the C. Now I use this flatted third, and then the thumb can navigate over here. Now I can jump all the way to the F and the G and the B flat. So here's the B flat blues scale. I could use a 3, by the way. That's fine too, if you find that more comfortable, but I need to be able to get over here. See how this navigation, this ability to move there gives me access to the upper part.